Lost your precious Snapchat streak? Don't panic. I'm going to show you how to get it back. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the support section. Under support, tap on I need help. You'll be taken to the Snapchat support website. Here, tap on the contact us option. Now you will see various options to choose your concern. Select my Snapstreaks disappeared. Fill out the form carefully. Enter your username, email address, your friend's username, and most importantly, the approximate date your streak disappeared. In the what information should we know box, briefly explain what happened. Be polite and clear. Double check everything, and then tap on the send button. Snapchat support will review your request. It may take a few days for them to respond. If they approve your request, your streak should be restored soon. And that's it. Good luck getting those streaks back.